Welcome to Kuwait City, a mesmerizing metropolis that seamlessly blends tradition with modernity. Nestled on the shores of the Arabian Gulf, this bustling capital is a true gem of the Middle East. In this video, we will embark on a journey to uncover the enchanting beauty of Kuwait City. Kuwait City proudly showcases its rich cultural heritage through its magnificent architecture. The iconic Kuwait Towers, with their unique design and vibrant hues, stand tall as a symbol of the city's prosperity. These majestic structures offer breathtaking views of the cityscape and the shimmering Gulf waters. As we stroll along the Arabian Gulf Street, we are greeted by an awe-inspiring skyline, adorned with sleek skyscrapers and luxurious waterfront developments, such as the striking Al Hamra Tower and the dazzling Kuwait International Airport. Beyond its architectural wonders, Kuwait City boasts numerous parks and green spaces that provide a serene oasis amidst the urban hustle. One such haven is the expansive Al Shahid Park, a verdant sanctuary that pays homage to Kuwait's history and fallen heroes. Its meticulously manicured gardens, tranquil lakes, and contemporary art installations create an atmosphere of peace and tranquility. The park's iconic architectural marvel, the Constitution Monument, serves as a testament to Kuwait's democratic aspirations. The beauty of Kuwait City also lies in its vibrant markets and cultural centers. Souk al-Mubarakiyah, a bustling traditional market, immerses visitors in the authentic sights, sounds, and scents of Kuwaiti heritage. Here, one can wander through narrow alleyways discovering traditional crafts, spices, and local delicacies. For a more contemporary experience, the Avenues Mall beckons with its luxurious ambience, designer boutiques, and international cuisine, making it a haven for fashion enthusiasts and food connoisseurs. Kuwait City is a treasure trove of captivating beauty where tradition and modernity harmoniously coexist. From its awe-inspiring architecture to its serene green spaces and bustling markets, this city offers a wealth of experiences for residents and visitors alike. Join us on this enchanting journey through Kuwait City, where beauty is embedded in every corner, waiting to be discovered and celebrated.